3, 2, 1, start. The year 2020 will go down in the history as one of the most difficult years the Supreme Court of India has witnessed, and it was the situation of all the courts in any part of the world. Stop with the justice delivery system initially being brought to a standstill by the COVID 19 pandemic. The court admirably adapted the latest modern technology so as to enable the delivery of justice. Stop. Even though only matters of pressing importance were taken up for hearing for the better part of 2020. The Supreme Court passed a number of important judgments. Stop. In Anuradha Bhasin versus Union of India, the Supreme Court held that freedom of speech and expression and freedom to carry on any trade, business or occupation over the medium of internet enjoys the constitutional protection. Stop. Suspension of the internet should only be for a reasonable duration and periodic review should be done. Stop. Prohibitory orders under section 11144 CRPC. Stop. Cannot be imposed to suppress the legitimate expression of opinion or grievance or exercise of any of the democratic rights. Stop. The question before us is that what do we need more, liberty or security? Question mark. Constitutional Order number 272 was issued by the President of India by applying all the provisions of the Constitution of India to the state of Jammu and Kashmir and modifying the Article 367 of Constitution of India in its application to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Stop. Due to the aforesaid restrictions, movement of journalists was severely restricted. Stop. Aggrieved by the same, petitioners approached this court for seeking issuance of an appropriate writ for setting aside or questioning any and all of the orders. Stop. The petitioner has undertaken before the court on his own violation that he will not indulge in any political rally or political activity during his visit. Stop. The visit will solely be concerned with making an assessment of the impact of the present situation on the life of the daily wage earners. Stop. Keeping in mind the national interest as well as the internal security, the state of Jammu and Kashmir shall make all the endeavors to ensure that the normal life is restored in Kashmir. People have access to healthcare facilities and schools, colleges, and other educational institutions, and public transport function and operate normally. Stop. All forms of communication shall be normalized. Stop. From the morning of 5/8/2019, with a heavy military presence, barricades, and ban on communication links, the state of Jammu and Kashmir was placed under de facto curfew. Stop. At the same time, this order was published in the Gazette of India. Stop. All of this was carried out while the state of Jammu and Kashmir was in a lockdown. Stop. An order suspending internet services indefinitely is impermissible under the Temporary Suspension of Telecom Services Rules 2017. Stop. Suspension can be utilized for temporary duration only. Stop. We direct the respondent state to review all the orders suspending the internet services forthwith. Stop. The denial of such critical information not only violates the people's right to receive information but is also a denial of their access to health. Stop. Furthermore, the petitioners contend that restrictions on internet speed directly impact the students of Jammu and Kashmir as they are unable to access to e-learning services such as online video classes and other online educational contents. Stop. This not only impacts their continuing education but also disadvantages the students of Jammu and Kashmir who are preparing for national and competitive exams. Stop. Since the introduction of internet in the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir, the number of incidents relating to terrorism in the region has actually reduced. Stop. If respondents apprehend the misuse of data services, then they could consider restricting the internet only in certain problematic areas. Stop.